Hey guys, it's me Thomas here, and today I'm back with another video. And today I'm back with another custom model segment, and... Wait, hold on. Wait, no. Those piles don't mean... Oh no. Oh no, that can't who I can pop... Fucking... Who I can imagine is... Uh-oh. No, that can't be what I'm thinking. Oh my god! It's him! Timothy! Yeah, alright, so yeah guys, so here is my finished custom Trackmaster Timothy. Oh wait, hold on, oh, sorry. So yeah, so here it is, yep, here's my finished custom Trackmaster Timothy the Ghost Engine. So yeah, so here he is. So yeah, this is made from my old Thomas model that I had, but don't worry, I'll get another one soon. So yeah, I painted him gray with the red linings and the number 0 on his sides. Yeah, I still have to put the tail lamp at the back, but yeah, don't worry. Here's the other side, the top of the boiler, and yeah, I painted these wheels black. And here is his face. This is a Thomas face with modified, with modified. Some modifications such as some pupils was to represent what the real Timothy looks like. And yeah, and guys, if you're wondering about his demonic face, well, here it is. Yep, this is how I made his demonic face. So yeah, it's gray. It has red eyes. And yeah, the pupil, and yeah, wrinkles. Yeah, those are the wrinkles on his on the side of his mouth. Sorry. Yeah, here are the wrinkles, and yeah. So here, and I also touched something this back here. So look, I can put his face on him. Let me see. I can't. Oh, hold on. Hold on a minute. Let's see. Alright. So yeah. Wait, hold on. There we go. Now it's on. So yeah, this is how I attach his demonic face on him. And yeah, you can also take it off. Yeah. So yeah, that is my custom Trackmaster Timothy the Ghost Engine. So anyways guys, if you like this my custom Trackmaster Timothy the Ghost Engine, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Later!